So today we are going to talk about Wi-Fi, how to check your signals on your Samsung Galaxy device, but we're going to be using another way. So please subscribe and share, and let's get started. So we're going to go in there and then go to the Wi-Fi and hold this, and then go to detail at the bottom. Once you go to the detail at the bottom, on the side right there, you want to go to three dots, and then you want to go to intelligent Wi-Fi. Once you go to intelligent Wi-Fi, you go to lab. As I said, if you do not have lab, just keep tapping intelligent Wi-Fi, and then the lab will come out. So once you go into lab, now we are going to go inside. You can see Wi-Fi developer options right down there. So we're going to go in there, and now you can see there's a few options right here. We're going to dive in and see what this is. So the first thing I would like to show you is actually connection information. Once you go in here, it will show you the information of your current Wi-Fi, your speed, okay, your the number of what I was talking about. So the higher the number is better. So -20 to 19, these are better Wi-Fi. If it's like -70 or lower, then it's not good. The channels, and then if you go into the L2 status, it will show you your frequencies, your countries, and everything. And the L3, I'm not going to show you that because that's all my information in there. But this is how you check your information for your Wi-Fi. Now let's get out there, and nearby Wi-Fi information. This is the second one. So this one in here, basically is just a basic chart to show you how's the Wi-Fi around you. You can see they divide into best, good, bad, and worse. And then at the bottom here, you can see what do they have, to show it to you. So the higher is better, right? I'm like -17, so which is we're in a very good position. But some places it's like -86, right? So things like that, right? -58, -92. These numbers are not good. You're not going to connect these to your phone because you're not going to connect anything. So don't use them, all right? Let's just say if you're very curious, you can actually get inside and see what the informations they give it to you with this certain Wi-Fi. Are they related to best or good or whatever? So they will show you, this is the dot right there. And then now it will show you the status for your Wi-Fi right here, okay? It will show you everything. So there's one more thing right here. So at the bottom here, Wi-Fi link status history. So if you want to know about your history, what is the downtime, what is the best time, if you go in here, they give you this chart. They will go from this to that. They will just show you the stats, like which one is like die down, which one is going up. They will show you everything, your history, all right? So right now I'm like nearly like -15 or somewhere like there. So this is where it makes sense, right? Because I'm sitting right beside the router, that's why it's this high. So I would like to show you one more steps where the intelligent Wi-Fi session is, all right? So at the bottom here, you will see there's this thing called detect suspicious network. You can see that right there. So this one here, turn that on please, because if they think there's some suspicious network, like the hacker or the network is not safe, they will detect and they will just disconnect to that Wi-Fi, right? Make sure you turn that on, and then that's it. This is another way to check your Wi-Fi without going into the home inspection session, right? Which is right here. You go in there, and then there's like home inspection Wi-Fi right there, okay? You don't have to go in there if you don't want to. You can just go into Wi-Fi developer options, and they will show you a brief information that you need to know. Please subscribe and share, and I will see you next time. Bye bye. Peace out.